Hello everyone. Today we are going to see the topic first aid and homeopathy. The first aid refers to the immediate care and the treatment provided to a person who has been injured or has suddenly fallen ill. Its primary objectives are 1. The preserve life. Ensure that the injured or ill person's life is not in immediate danger and take steps to prevent the further harm. Prevent the condition from worsening, administer the basic care and treatment to prevent the injury or illness from getting worse. Promote recovery, promote initial care that supports the person's recovery and minimize the risk of complications. Now, the homeopathic medicines can be a part of first aid in situations where minor injuries or acute conditions occur. Homeopathy is a holistic system of medicine that is used in highly diluted substances to stimulate the body's natural healing processes. Here are some of the common homeopathic medicines used in first aid. The first one, Arnica montana, often called the king of first aid of remedies. Arnica is used for trauma, bruises and shock. It helps to reduce the swelling, pain and promotes the healing. Arnica is the go-to remedy for injuries where the affected area is sore, bruised and feeling better with rest. Second one is a Calendula officialis. Calendula is an excellent remedy for wound healing. It can be applied topically as a diluted tincture for cuts, abrasions and burns. Calendula is known for its healing properties, especially for open wounds. The next medicine is Hypericum perforatum. Hypericum is useful for injuries to nerve or nerve-rich areas such as fingers or toes or the spine. It helps with nerve pain like shooting or sharp pain. Next medicine is Ledampa. Use ledam for punctured wounds, insect bites or animal bites. It's especially helpful if the affected area feels cold and the pain improves with cold application. Next one is a Rustox. This remedy is great for strains, sprains and overexertion. It helps with stiffness and pain and stiffness that gets better with movement. Next medicine is Cantharis. Cantharis is a remedy for burns, including sunburns, and can help to alleviate the associated pain and inflammation. This remedy is indicated for burns and urinary tract irritation. The next one is Apis mellifica. Apis is indicated for insect stings and bites when the area is red, swollen and hot. Next one is arsenical. It's useful for food poisoning, stomach upset and diarrhea, especially when accompanied by restlessness and anxiety. Next one is Ipecac. Ipecac is helpful for nausea and vomiting, whether it is due to food poisoning, motion sickness or other causes. Next one is aconite. The aconite is helpful for shock, sudden intense fear or panic and symptoms that come on suddenly after exposure to cold dry wind. Thank you.